We have big breaking updates coming in. The Samajwadi Party chief has taken a holy dip at the Mahakumbh. So Akhilesh Yadav has taken a dip at the Mahakumbh. This comes after the Samajwadi Party leaders, several of them, had taken a dig at the Yogi cabinet, taking a dip at the Mahakumbh. Now we have visuals of Akhilesh Yadav taking a dip at the Mahakumbh. This is coming after several digs have been taken by the Samajwadi Party leaders time and again over the Mahakumbh. My colleague Akanksha is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, just days after the Samajwadi Party and Akhilesh Yadav had taken a dig at Yogi Adityanath for his dip at the Mahakumbh, Akhilesh Yadav taking a dip. We're seeing the visuals on the screens.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. Today is day 14th of Mahakumbh Mela, and today Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has arrived in Prayagraj to take holy dip. He has already taken holy dip at Sangam, which is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. In just some time, he's going to come here at the Samajwadi Party camp. This is where the idol of Mulayam Singh Yadav, in fact, has been kept. Remember, that had led to a lot of controversy with the Bharatiya Janata Party reminding devotees about the Ram Mandir movement. They called the statue here and the entire act as anti-Hindu, anti-Sanatan and in favor of Muslims. So in just some time, Samajwadi Party chief, after the dip, he's going to arrive here. He will be offering prayers at that statue of Mulayam Singh Yadav. He will also be speaking to a lot of party workers. As you can see, a lot of crowd has started gathering outside the party and also inside the party camp here in anticipation of Akhilesh Yadav. In fact, he left from Lucknow at around 11:30, and just a while back he took holy dip at Sangam. In another few minutes is what we are learning. He's going to arrive here. He will be interacting with the party workers here, and then he will be offering prayers at that statue of Mulayam Singh Yadav. So this is as far as the entire visit of Samajwadi Party chief is concerned, Pratibha.
Okay, so is it a change of heart because the Samajwadi Party led by Akhilesh Yadav had taken a dig at Yogi Adityanath and the UP cabinet for taking a dip? Rakesh Tripathi joining us on the phone line. Thank you for joining us. Rakesh Tripathi ji, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav ने डुबकी लगाई है कुंभ मेला में.
देखिए, अखिलेश यादव जी पिछले एक महीने से लगातार कुंभ को लेकर के अनर्गल टिप्पणियां कर रहे थे, नकारात्मक टिप्पणियां कर रहे थे, लोगों को डराने का काम कर रहे थे, कभी बिजली की बातों को लेकर के, कभी पुल को लेकर के, कभी भीड़ को लेकर के, रोज अलग अलग प्रकार से कुंभ को लेकर के नकारात्मक टिप्पणियां कर रहे थे. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आज जब उन्होंने संगम में डुबकी लगाई होगी तो संगम में डुबकी लगाने के बाद आज वो उत्तर प्रदेश की योगी आदित्यनाथ सरकार की व्यवस्थाओं की तारीफ भी करेंगे, उस दिव्य भव्य कुंभ के बारे में कुछ सकारात्मक बातें भी करेंगे, क्योंकि संगम में स्नान करने के बाद मन शांत होता है, चित्त शांत होता है, तो जो नकारात्मक ऊर्जा है, जो अब तक का पाप है, वो शायद धुलेगा और जो पुण्य है वो अर्जित हुआ होगा. तो शायद उसका कुछ असर आज उनकी बोली में भी दिखाई देगा. वो शायद आज कुछ सरकार के बारे में, व्यवस्थाओं के बारे में, कुंभ के बारे में कुछ शायद आज सकारात्मक बोले, कुछ अच्छा बोलेंगे.
जी, लेकिन राकेश जी, देर आए पर दुरुस्त आए. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या हुआ जो अखिलेश यादव ने अपना मन बदल लिया?
देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश में मिल्कीपुर का चुनाव है. मिल्कीपुर का वातावरण जिस तरह का दिखाई पड़ रहा है, समाजवादी पार्टी वहां बुरी तरह पराजित होती हुई दिख रही है. और समाजवादी पार्टी के बारे में ये बात लगातार चल रही थी, जनता के बीच में इस बात की एक तीखी प्रतिक्रिया थी कि कुंभ को लेकर के जो नकारात्मक टिप्पणियां अखिलेश यादव कर रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के एक जबरदस्त जनता के बीच में माहौल है. उसको शायद हमें लगता है अखिलेश जी ने महसूस किया है और वो आखिरकार कुंभ के में डुबकी लगाने के लिए पहुंचे हैं. हम स्वागत करते हैं. जो भी आस्था की डुबकी लगाने के लिए आना चाहते हैं वो डुबकी लगाने के लिए आए और कम से कम व्यवस्थाओं को देखें, नकारात्मक माहौल बनाने से बचें.
जी, okay, all right. Rakesh Tripathi, thank you for joining us. Acharya Satyendra Das also joining us on the broadcast. Before that, I want to bring in Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party joining us on the broadcast. Anurag ji, Akhilesh Yadav जब समाजवादी पार्टी भी, जब योगी आदित्यनाथ और कैबिनेट ने डुबकी लगाई थी तो आपने उनको छपरी कहा था, अब क्या हो गया? All right, we seem to have lost the line with the Samajwadi Party. We'll get in an SP perspective as well on whether this is a change of heart. But Acharya Satyendra Das continues to stay live with us. Acharya ji, आपको क्या लगता है कि अब समाजवादी पार्टी चीफ अखिलेश यादव ने डुबकी लगाई है महाकुंभ में?
देखिए, वो धर्म का प्रमुख स्थान है और आज है उनके नाम से है. उसके बाद वहाँ गंगा अपना वहाँ क्या देखते हैं हनुमान जी है, इस प्रकार से वहाँ की बदलाव जो है अपने आप में अद्भुत है। इस अद्भुत के कारण ही आज लाखों के लाख लोग आकर के वहाँ स्नान कर रहे हैं। सब देख करके उनका आया था कि वो संस्थान है और वहाँ जाते में हमें कोई इलाज नहीं है, विषय में होना चाहिए। इसलिए वो अपना इस प्रकार से अपना लज्जा को बचाने के लिए, लोगों के उपहार जो रहा उसको बचाने के लिए उनको प्रसाद में जाकर के स्नान करना पड़ रहा है। और यह सब देख करके उनको जाने की माहौल कैसा है और किस प्रकार से योगी जी ने व्यवस्था किया है और जिस व्यवस्था में आज लाखों के लाख लोग आकर के वहाँ स्नान कर रहे हैं और उन्होंने उसकी प्रशंसा करते हैं जो विदेश के लोग आए हैं।
Okay, all right. So you welcome that Akhilesh Yadav has taken a dip. Thank you for joining us. So these are the visuals of Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, who has taken a dip at the Sangam in Mahakumbh. My colleague Akanksha continues to stay live with us. Akanksha, over the last several days, Samajwadi Party leaders have time and again made several statements undermining the significance of the Mahakumbh, including Akhilesh Yadav himself, who claimed that the numbers that are being given by the government are completely false. They've been raising questions on the arrangement, saying why take cameras when the chief minister is going to take the holy dip. And now you have the visuals of Akhilesh Yadav himself taking the holy dip.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. On the day 14th of Mahakumbh Mela, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has taken dip. As you also mentioned, this is coming days after Samajwadi Party leaders as well as Samajwadi Party chief. They have been taking dig at the Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the management of Mahakumbh Mela is concerned, and also regarding the numbers of devotees who are coming here. Remember, till now, as many as 14 crore people have taken dip at Mahakumbh Mela, and Samajwadi Party chief had mentioned that all these numbers have been manipulated by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Several other claims came from Samajwadi Party related to the fire incident here, calling this that mismanagement by the Bharatiya Janata Party and the UP government. In fact, just a few days back when UP cabinet ministers were here and they took holy dip, Samajwadi Party leaders had called that photo of, they called them chapri lodes, quote unquote, the usage of language by the Samajwadi Party leader. Now it remains to be seen what Samajwadi Party chief has to say about this. In fact, he will definitely be speaking about the arrangements here because he has taken round of the entire Mahakumbh Mela. He has already taken dip. So definitely as soon as he arrives here at the Samajwadi Party camp, it is expected that he might speak on this very issue as to whether or not he liked the arrangements or not. But as far as the statements that have been coming from Samajwadi Party leaders, till now they've been mentioning that the management of Mahakumbh Mela is not okay. Crores have been spent for Mahakumbh Mela, but facilities are not good at all. So these are the statements. So it remains to be seen how Akhilesh Yadav in fact reacts to all these statements and what his perspective is when he comes here at the Samajwadi Party camp, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. It will be very interesting to see what Akhilesh Yadav has to say about the arrangements. All along, he has only criticized the Yogi government. Akanksha, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details. Big story on Times Now. We continue getting you the updates from Prayagraj. For now, quick break. We'll be right back.